Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you're doing well. So festive season is around the corner and I'm trying new products for the festive glow. And recently I'm in love with these two products which I'm going to be doing in this video. So let's get started. These two products from Garnier Naturals. So let's get started. The first one is this Garnier Skin Naturals Vitamin C Face Wash. This is the packaging. It's like a very yellow color packaging and I love it. It's so festive, it's so bright, it's so yellow. I love it. And the next one is this Bright Complete Vitamin C Gel Cream. So these are the two products that I'm gonna be talking about. I'm gonna be reviewing it. So let's get started. So first of all, let's jump to the packaging. How does these look? So this is the packaging of the face wash. I have this yellow packaging and everything is mentioned in the front and the back. Now it is new Bright Complete Vitamin C Gel Face Wash. It's gentle cleanse. It contains vitamin C and 11s, no parabens, no silicones, suitable for sensitive skin. So it is a gel based face wash which is really good for all types, seriously combination or oily, all types of skin, and it contains vitamin C which will help to give you a brighten effect. I kind of like the packaging because the color. Now the second one is this gel cream. It is Garnier Skin Naturals new Bright Complete Vitamin C Serum Gel. It promises to give you instant bright skin. It also contains vitamin C and lemon. And let me show you the packaging of this cream. So it comes in this cute yellow sort of this packaging which is really pretty. I love the packaging and I'm just gonna show you the texture also. This is the texture of this cream. It is literally like gel, like it is literally like a water gel and it smells so good. So this is the cream. The reason I'm talking about these two products is because my skin have been very dehydrated or dry lately because of the weather right now, and when your skin is very dehydrated or dry, you should use something which is more gel like or more watery so that it adds the hydration back into your skin and makes your skin more plump and soft. And that's why I switched to these two products. These are very affordable. So for $225 you get 100 gram of face wash, and I'm damn sure you would always get it on discount. So you know this cream still weighs 45 gram and it retails for ₹189. How affordable is that, right? Like very lightweight. It is like almost like water. You doesn't feel anything on your skin. I'll show you how to use these products, and I'm sorry for the background noises. Oh my god. Let's start with face wash. So face wash is gel based. It foams really easily and lathers pretty well and just cleans your skin, making it so soft and clean but not dry. That's the best part about this face wash, and I love using it in my AM and PM routine because it just makes skin so smooth and soft and making it like so good for me. And after face wash I apply moisturizer. Now this moisturizer is a game changer for me. You can see my skin looks so much better after applying this moisturizer, but it is so lightweight, so thin, so watery that it gets absorbed into your skin, but you don't feel like you have done anything, like you haven't applied any moisturizer even on your skin. It feels like that, and you can see that have been a game changer. My skin looks much better right now. So finally a brightening moisturizer like gel form mein hai, which is means that there will be no cream, no chip or no stickiness, and I'm so relieved by that. That was a review of these two products that I'm currently loving right now. Definitely check out the links in the description box to buy these, and I'll definitely suggest you for all the people out there. And if you especially have oily combination skin, definitely try these two products. It will be a game changer for you. That was the video. I hope you like this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.